Hey kids, welcome to another one of these Cool Tool Tuesday videos. I'm Phil Schinbein, and this week I would like to talk to you about FastCap's 2P10 Solo Kit. It comes with the thick cyanoacrylate glue. Hey, I got that right that time. Adhesive. Duh! Cool as adhesive. That's what CA stands for. Cyanoacrylate. Anyway, it comes in a variety of different thicknesses for different applications. The thick one is the one that I use the most. It is brilliant for situations where, you need super glue. We all know what super glue is. We all know what it's for. This is a fantastic triple distilled, extra fancy version of super glue, and it sets in 10 seconds. Right? But if you need it to be instantly set, they also make an accelerator that comes in this big can and a little pump spray. But I've only ever used the big can just because, it doesn't go off. So why not? This has a 2-year shelf life. So let me turn that around so you can see the label because it looks better that way. But now you might be thinking to yourself, if I'm a woodworker, what do I need super glue for?
Good question.
Myself, I recently put together a couple jigs. Well, I put together a jig to make a jig, funny enough. There's a video coming out on that on my own channel shortly, but I use this exact kit to put the runners on the bottom of the jigs, the sleds, so they run through the miter slot on my table saw, right? I put a couple washers down, put the CA glue on the runner, put the accelerator on the bottom of the jig, and went, and it stuck instantly. It's fantastic. Now you can buy the adhesives themselves separately, or you can buy it in a pre-packaged little kit with the accelerator, conveniently found on the shelf here at Timbecon. Magic! In the 2P10 Solo Kit. Very handy. But they do also make a starter kit that has all 4 of the different thicknesses of glue. It has the activator, same thing. It has the activator, but it also has, conveniently, the debonder if you get things stuck in the wrong spot, if you stuff it up. And it comes back apart. Very useful. They also have the coloring kit, which sounds like little kids playing with crayons and whatnot, but it is great because you can use this when doing like porcelain repairs and whatnot. You can actually match what you're gluing to your glue line, essentially. So there you have it, FastCap's 2P10 Solo Kit, comprising the thick CA adhesive and the can of activator. It's fantastic. If you need it, there's a link to it on our website down below in the down below in the doobly-doo. You can also find everything you need to know to get woodworking on our website, www.timbecon.com.au. And if this is your first time here, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will see you after this forklift runs me over.